There's so many digital marketing strategies out there that you can use. It's really, really easy to get confused on where to start. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down my top 3 digital marketing strategies for 2023 so that you know where to start. Whether you're promoting your own business or you're promoting somebody else's business as a social media marketing agency, this video is for you. Let's get into it right now. Okay, so my number 1 strategy for 2023 that I believe all businesses should still be focusing on to grow their business in 2023 is the Facebook engagement objective. Now, I know this might sound like quite a boring one, but effectively, there is still no better way to create awareness around your brand, your product, your business than using the Facebook engagement objective to promote what it is you do. The Facebook engagement objective enables you to reach millions of people on Facebook cheap as chips. It is still one of the most underpriced mediums out there to promote your business. You can literally reach tens of thousands of people for literally £100 using this objective. Here's the strategy. First of all, you've got to create some content. You've got to create something that showcases what it is you do. For example, if you are a restaurant, the best thing that you can do is showcase on video, for example, some of your amazing meals or the actual experience that people are having in your restaurant. You create the content, step 1. Step 2, you're now going to go into Facebook and you're going to identify an audience that you want to target with this video. For example, if you are in London, then a really good place to start would be to target people in London and only show this video to people that are in London. You then start showing this video using the engagement objective on Facebook. Now, what happens is for very, very cheap, for as little as £5 a day, this video is going to start getting shown to your target audience. Over time, what happens if you show them that video and maybe another one is your restaurant becomes embedded in their mind. So when the problem of where to eat arises in that client's head, they're going to start thinking of you. For example, if I was to say to you, running shoe, what do you think of? There's a very good chance that you think of Nike, because Nike own the part of your brain that is running shoe. When you think of running shoe, Nike have done such a great job of brand awareness for that product that you immediately think of them, which is why there's a very good chance if you're into running, you've got a pair of Nike trainers. It's exactly the same. When John's sitting at home and he's scrolling through Facebook and he's wondering where he could potentially eat next and he sees your restaurant pop up in his feed, next time his wife Jane shouts at him for not taking him out for about 6 months and asks him where he's going to take her next, your restaurant or solution to that problem pops up in his mind. Strategy number 2. Strategy number 2 is one that actually generates leads. I still believe that generating leads of qualified people that could potentially at some point hire you, buy from you, or purchase from your business is still a massively important factor and something that you should definitely be focusing on still in 2023. The best strategy for this, I believe, and the easiest to implement is using Facebook lead forms on Facebook to generate leads. It's really, really simple. The first thing you've got to do is you've got to come up with a reason why that person would give you their information. The most popular way to do this nowadays is using what we call a lead magnet. We've created thousands of lead magnets over the years for our clients and we've generated hundreds of thousands of leads using them. A lead magnet is effectively an irresistible bribe that gives a specific chunk of value in exchange for that client's contact information. For example, if I'm an accountant, I don't really want a load of employed people on my email list. I need to make sure that people that come onto my email list and give me their information are self-employed or business owners, because they're the people that I could help. So I might create a lead magnet which talks directly to these people. I might create a lead magnet that says 5 ways to save money on your tax return, a business owner's guide. And I'll create this lead magnet, which is a couple of pages of good information teaching people how to do it. If someone opts in for that and gives me their information in exchange for that, they're effectively holding their hands up and saying, I am your ideal client and I might want to hire you later on. This enables me as the business owner to build a list full of people like this that might buy from me later on down the line. It's an amazingly effective strategy, and when teamed up with Facebook lead forms as the objective using Facebook ads, it's a really easy, low-cost way to generate really good, high qualified leads. My third strategy for 2023 to build your business is email marketing. I honestly believe that email marketing is still one of the most powerful ways to turn leads or prospects into paying customers. And if it's done properly, you can convert customers and build a database of people which becomes an asset to your business as your business grows. But you have to do it right. When people join your email list, they're doing so because in some way, somewhere in their mind, even if it's subconscious, they want what you have. They're just not ready to buy yet. Now, what most businesses do is they just go after the people that are ready to buy, and they try to get really good prospects that just want to buy. Now, that's great, but there's different types of people that make up any type of market. One, let's call the low-hanging fruit, the hyperactive buyers, the people that are just ready to go. Like me, I'm one of those people. I will literally see an ad and I will make a buying decision there and then. The problem is, this only makes up about 20% of any given market. This is where everyone's going after. The second part of any market, and the biggest part, this is where most of the money can be made. These are the considerative buyers, the tire kickers, the people that need to do a little bit of shopping, the people that need to go out and they need to do a bit of research. They need to go on Google and check out competitors. They need to go on YouTube and check out reviews and things like that. This makes up between 60 and 70% of any market. These people want to buy, they're just not ready to buy yet. How we can convert these is being there over time in their inbox, communicating, adding value, sending out information that's adding value, but also selling your service. So when the time arises that they want to actually buy and actually take the time to invest in solving that problem that they're looking for, you are at the top of their mind. So if we can capture leads and nurture them over time, we can do this with email marketing. I use a software called Keep. There's ActiveCampaign, there's HubSpot. There's lots of different solutions to do this. It's effectively a CRM or an autoresponder, you might call it. What this enables you to do is to communicate with these people on a regular and automated way. It means you can leverage your time. It means effectively, when someone joins your email list, you can set up an automation that runs for months, even years if you wanted it to, where emails are automatically drip fed to that person, and at each point in that campaign, you call them to action so that then you are there when they're ready to buy. Okay, so that's it. That nice quick wrap up of my top 3 digital marketing strategies for 2023. I promise, if you implement one or even all 3 of these into your business, you will see a significant increase in the leads you generate and the sales that you make. As always, please leave me a comment with your thoughts or any questions that you've got, and I will personally come back to you and answer them. And don't forget, if you like this video, to subscribe and hit that bell notification for when we upload videos twice a week. You'll get notified. My name's Matt Wilson. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you next time.